Hello everyone, today we shall be discussing about coordinate geometry or Cartesian geometry. To begin with, we know how to locate a point on a number line. We also know how to describe the position of a point on a number line. There are many situations in which to find a point we are required to describe its position with respect to more than one line. In such cases, the concept of coordinate geometry is used. For example, consider the following situations. Suppose there is a main road running from east to west direction and the street numbers marked from west to east. Also, on each street, house number are marked from 1 to 5. For instance, I am looking for my friend's house. Is it enough for me to only know one reference point? No. For example, if I only know the street number in which he is situated, I could not find him easily. Here, I need two pieces of information. The first is the street number, the second is the house number. Say for instance, my friend is situated in street 2nd and house number 5. First of all, I will identify the street 2nd, then I will move to the house number 5, here my friend is. Taking the second situation, if I put a dot here and I ask you what is the position of this dot on this page, you may say this dot is very near to this left edge of the paper, or this dot lies in the upper half of this page. But do any of these statements fix the position of the dot precisely? No, not at all. But if I say this dot is nearly at 2 cm from this left edge of the paper, it gives us some idea where the dot is, but still it does not fix the position of the dot. Now if I say this dot is also at a distance of 11 cm from this bottom line, we know where the dot is. That means the position of the dot has been fixed. In all these discussions, we observe that the position of any point lying in a plane can be represented with the help of two perpendicular lines. In case of dot, it was the position of the dot with respect to the left edge of the paper and the bottom line of the paper. In case of my friend, it was the street number and the house number. This concept has far-reaching consequences and it has given rise to one of the most important branch of mathematics known as coordinate geometry. This concept was initially developed by French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is also known as Cartesian system. What happens in Cartesian system? Descartes invented a system of placing two lines perpendicular to each other. He takes two lines, one as horizontal, that is also known as x dash x or x-axis, second as vertical, that is also known as y dash y or y-axis. He combined two lines in such a way so that their origins or zeros cross each other like this. We can observe that the axis divides the plane into four parts. Each part is known as a quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4 part. Here it is quadrant first, it is quadrant second, it is quadrant third, and it is quadrant fourth. We can observe that the axis divided the plane into four parts. Such a plane we called as the Cartesian plane, XY plane or coordinate plane, and these axes are known as coordinate axes. Now coming to the application part of the coordinate geometry has many real life applications. For example, scanners and photocopy machines use coordinate geometry to produce the identical copy of the image provided to them. Air traffic is regulated and managed with the help of coordinate geometry. It is used in world maps, it is used to determine latitudes and longitudes and many more fields as well. I hope you got it right. Thank you so much. Have a good time.